He strode down the hall, out into the street. His spurs, they were jingling at the heels of his feet. The dust swirled up round the gun on his chaps. The sun, it beat down o'er the brim of his hat. He shoots a look left, at a glance he looks right. The bad man is nervous, he knows he must fight. The sheriff keeps heading towards the saloon, while the town clock counts down to high noon. The outlaw Black Bart had held up the stage, with his gang robbed the bank, kicked a dog in his rage. Now Bart is squirming with the sheriff's approach. He sneaks out the back with that low-down cockroach. Bart's days are numbered, he's gonna go down. No man does these things in Sheriff Ron's town. Ron and his posse start to close in. Bart's gang gives up, they know they just can't win. In the best of the West, right always wins. Truth might be down, but it'll get back up again. Just when you think all the good guys are gone, into the story we'll ride Sheriff Ron. Sheriff Ron. The gang's day is through. Bart steals a horse. Ron, riding thunder, sets an intercept course. Bart starts to laugh, he thinks he's been sly. Ron heads him off in the pass at the Y. Now what happened next you could call a divorce. Ron strung a high line and Bart lost his horse. Bart came off backwards, the ground at his head. They both pulled their guns, commenced throwing lead. In the best of the West, right always wins. Truth might be down, but it'll get back up again. Just when you think all the good guys are gone, into the story we'll ride Sheriff Ron. Sheriff Ron. Sheriff Ron. After both 6 shooters' shots had been spent, the 2 men locked horns. This is how the tango went. Advantage to Bart, then it swung to Ron. The 2 old bulls went at it till the strength was nearly gone. When the dust finally settled, Ron was still on top. He hog-tied old Black Bart with a rope and a good knot. Just then came a call from Sheriff Ron's mother.
Johnny, will you please untie your brother? Put your toys away, are the chores all done? You two get in for dinner. Settle down and wash your hands. Tell your mother who's the winner.
As the boys came in with their dirty grins, the day was all but gone. Jack says to Johnny,
tomorrow I'm Sheriff Ron.
Sheriff Ron. In the best of the West, right always wins. Truth might be down, but it'll get back up again. Just when you think all the good guys are gone, into the story we'll ride Sheriff Ron.